Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to add an app to your Windows 11 desktop. To do this, I'm on my desktop here. So I click here and go to the desktop. Next, to add an app here, click the Start button, click All Apps, and then to create a shortcut for it, just drag it onto the desktop. If this method doesn't work for you, then you need to open File Explorer, find an application, and create a shortcut for it yourself. To do this, right-click on the application and either click Pin to start or just click Copy and paste it on the desktop. That's it. This has been a quick tutorial. See you all later.